these are our proposed outcomes for the day, and these will be measured at the end to see if we sort of like kind of hit our target as far as these outcomes. But you'll notice these outcomes are pretty kind of starting level as far as transformative learning. We didn't want to presume that everybody had a deep knowledge of what transformative learning was or had applied it to every single one of their programs and had a perfect sort of programmatic paradigm, things like that. So really the point of today is to talk about defining transformative learning in 3 areas. So from the research, from the perspective of the students, specifically about what you've heard from students, stories that have transformed them, things that have transformed them, and then from your own perspective. So given what the research says, given what you've heard from students, what's your definition of transformative learning, maybe how it applies to your department, or maybe this program, or what have you. We wanted to expose you to elements of transformative learning found in the research. So we're going to take you through each one of our domains of learning and service and talk about what popped out in the research as sort of like things that are connected to transformative learning. And then we also wanted to see across the domains of service and learning, and this was actually kind of hard to find the research on, are there common sort of themes around transformative learning? Are there common parts of programs independent of the domains that hold true for every type of program that espouses to be transformative? We're going to have you apply the elements of transformative learning to a program or initiative intended for students that you brought today, hopefully. And then you'll be able to, near the end of the workshop, be able to connect your program to another program around campus. And we're having you do that on purpose. And I definitely encourage you, if you can, we'll have you identify which domain of learning and service your program's best connected to. Try to work with somebody from a different domain if you can, okay? And it may be that you want to work with somebody with the same domain, that's fine, but if you can, really stretch your thinking near the end here, okay?